Hair loss is a common problem that affects millions of men around the world.
This is the new Hair Revival Kit from Particle for Men. It's an inexpensive way to help reduce hair loss. This is the cream, and this is the massage. It's the ultimate product for fighting hair loss. It feels great on my scalp.
We know that there are many hair growth products on the market that simply don't work. That's why we spent 2 years researching the best ingredients and developing a product that is scientifically proven to be effective. Particle's Hair Revival Kit is different. It's not just some gimmick that promises the world but delivers nothing. Our formula is backed by science and clinical research. It's prescription-free and contains only premium ingredients. And with our 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free.